Alright guys, I just came back from my vacation and let's be real, I enjoyed it a little too much. The food, the drinks, the desserts, you name it. And when I stepped on the scale back home, I wasn't exactly thrilled with the number I saw. But here's the thing, gaining weight after a holiday is totally normal, totally fine. The important part is what you do after. So today, I want to share with you exactly how I plan to lose that extra weight I gained, about 10 kilos in 16 weeks, and show you the exact tools I'll be using to show you can do the same. My goal is simple guys, lose 10 kilograms in 16 weeks. That works out to around 0.6 kilos per week. And why that number? Because it's realistic and sustainable. Too often people try to drop weight as fast as possible, but that usually ends with them quitting or gaining it all back. This approach is steady, doable, and way healthier in the long run. Now, before I show you the tools, let's quickly cover the basics of fat loss. It all comes down to a calorie deficit and eating fewer calories than your body burns. And that's it. But here's where a lot of people go wrong. They just eat less of everything, and then they feel miserable. The real trick is to eat fewer calories but make those calories work harder for you. For me, that means keeping protein high to protect muscle mass, eating carbs that fuel my workouts like oats, rice, and potatoes, adding healthy fats like nuts, avocado, and olive oil. And another big part of this, for me at least, is cutting out empty calories. So no more sweets, candy, ice cream, or soda. Instead, I'll stick to water, green tea, and black coffee. These keep me hydrated, curb cravings, and save me a ton of calories. So how do I make this easy and trackable? With two free tools. The first one is MyFitnessPal. It's a free app, but you can also pay a monthly subscription if you need for extra pro features. And this app is where you log your food. And yes, it takes some effort at first, but after a week or two, you'll know exactly what's in your meals. And it's like putting on glasses. You suddenly see clearly where your calories are really coming from. The second tool is ChatGPT. I'll be using it to create weekly meal plans, quick recipes, and even to generate shopping lists so I don't waste time thinking about what to eat. And if I get bored of my meals, I'll just ask it for new ideas to still fit my calorie and protein goals. Honestly, this combination makes staying consistent way easier. Do keep in mind that there may be some mistakes with using AI tools. So please use your common sense. And here's how I'm structuring my own plan. Calories. I'll eat around 1800 calories per day. Protein. Minimum 150 grams per day to keep my muscle. Workouts. 2 strength training sessions per week. That will be on the Monday and Friday. 3 runs per week. That will be on the Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And that's already in my current routine, so I'm just making my nutrition match it. Tracking. Every day, I'll trial at least every day. Log my meals in MyFitnessPal, and once per week, I'll check my weight to make sure I'm on track for that 0.5 to 0.6 kilo loss. On top of that, removing sweets and sugary drinks makes it way easier to stick to my calorie target without feeling deprived. Those calories add up quickly, and honestly, I'd rather spend them on real meals that actually keep me full. Now here's some advice that help you stick with it. 1. Don't aim for perfection. You don't need it to be 100% strict. Hitting your targets between 80 or 90% of the time is enough to see results. 2. Meal prep a few staples. Having protein ready, like grilled chicken, lentils, or tofu, some protein shakes, saves you from bad choices when you're hungry. 3. Stay flexible. If you want pizza or ice cream or something else once in a while, that's totally fine. Just fit it into your calories instead of banning it completely. For me though, avoiding sweets daily makes it much easier not to overeat. 4. Track progress beyond the scale. Take photos, notice how your clothes fit, and pay attention to your energy, your mood, your personal vibe. And the scale is just one tool. So that's my full plan. Lose 10 kilograms in 16 weeks using nothing more than MyFitnessPal, ChatGPT, and some simple nutrition adjustments like cutting out sweets and soda. and while sticking to water, green tea, and black coffee. If you gained a few kilos recently, just like me, whether it's from holiday, vacation, or just life is getting busy, don't beat yourself up. Do not, guys. Instead, focus on creating a simple, realistic plan you can stick to. And I promise the results will come naturally. If you want to follow my journey, I'll be sharing updates along the way. So I think maybe once per month or so. So make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, what's your current fitness goal? Maybe we can go through this together. As always, guys, stay safe, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next one. Good luck.